Damn, is it that bad?
Worse. Just thinking about packing up, leaving this country.
Well, you gotta do one thing first.
And what do I have to do?
Take me on a date.
I could do that.
Okay.
Should have just kept my eyes closed.